good. Stuck on I-26. Down the gear. Good morning. It is March 21st. Still don't have any resolve from the shop that did work on this truck. And this truck was simply hauled here on a rollback from where the incident happened on I-26 to here and dropped off. There's nothing else been done to it or touched since. Some more parts fell off on the rollback. That's actually part of the transfer case there. Stuff laying back in there, including the transfer case, which is the very tail end of the transmission, laying here. And for those of you who don't know, you can see transmission gears there. But for all of you who don't know, this all happened from a repair back in October. And I'll come around here and show you what they did. They replaced the seal in the rear end right there, which the seal has fallen out. It got smashed. And my understanding is that bolt there was there's actually a shaft. It's called the pinion shaft. And if you replace the seal on this and use the original nut that went on that shaft to hold everything together, according to Dana, manufacturer of this differential, if you reuse the same nut, you're supposed to put thread locker on them threads. There's no thread locker there. So this the nut worked its way off the rear end. That slipped back in the rear end and locked up, and that resulted in the drivetrain literally exploding at 65 miles an hour on I-26.